Happy Halloween! Welcome to Sammie's Toy Reviews! Hi guys! Today I got the Cinderella Carriage Pumpkin Decoration Kit. From Disney!
Yes, it includes
a paintbrush, and of course the Cinderella Carriage!
Disney's Cinderella's Carriage Pumpkin Decorating Kit. Turn any pumpkin into Cinderella's carriage.
Step 1, paint plus. Step 2, decorate equals done!
Wow, how beautiful! I can't wait to make this pumpkin into Cinderella's carriage. That includes 2 wheels, 2 door sashes, 1 door, 1 base, 1 blue paint, and 1 sponge brush.
Let's open this! Whoa! Here's the paintbrush, sashes, base, wheels, and the door. Let's start painting! Whoa! It's more than silver. Let's decorate it.
Yes, we can't wait.
Yay! We put holes on it.
Sammie, start decorating now. First, let's put the door. Straighten it. And then the
Sashes. One sash. The base, the wheels, wish I could eat this pumpkin. Hope you like the carriage, guys.
Wow, it's beautiful. I love it, Sammie.
Thank you. Tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. Oh no, the ball is starting. I don't want to be late. Good thing I have my horse and my horseman. Let's go to the ball. Hope you like my video. And please give thumbs up and like and subscribe.